Did you know your post-wax cream isn't fixing the real damage? In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn a 72-hour nutrient protocol that repairs your skin from the inside out. By the end, your skin will feel calm, smooth, and fully recovered. Every wax pulls hair from the root, disrupting the basement membrane beneath your skin. This triggers inflammation. Your skin's alarm system lights up. Redness, swelling, and bumps start deep within the dermis. Most creams only touch the surface. They soothe but don't truly repair. To recover quickly, we need a systemic, inside-out nutrient strategy. This is exactly what your skin needs to repair itself at a cellular level. First, rebuild your skin's foundation, collagen. Vitamin C and proline stimulate new collagen production directly in damaged pores. Collagen gives your skin strength, elasticity, and smoothness. Copper peptides help link these fibers to prevent sagging and maintain firmness. Think of it as repairing the framework before painting the walls. By boosting collagen this way, you accelerate real healing, not just surface relief. Next, calm the inflammation from within. Omega-3 fatty acids reduce redness and prevent bumps after waxing. Bromelain and quercetin act as natural antihistamines, soothing itching before it starts. This step doesn't just calm irritation, it stops flare-ups from forming. Once your skin is calm, it's ready for the next step, barrier restoration. Waxing strips essential lipids from your skin, leaving it tight and dehydrated. Phytoceramides trap moisture, preventing dryness and discomfort. Vitamin E and selenium shield new skin cells from damage and free radicals. Timing is critical. These nutrients are most effective in the first 72 hours after waxing. This restores your skin barrier while helping it stay strong and resilient. Now, here's the full 72-hour post-waxing routine. Day 1. Eat vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges, kiwis, and berries along with lean protein. Day 2. Include omega-3 rich foods such as salmon, chia seeds, and walnuts. Day 3. Eat antioxidants and phytoceramides from nuts, whole grains, and seeds. Avoid processed sugar, fried foods, and highly inflammatory options. These slow healing and increase bumps or ingrown hairs. Follow this protocol carefully. In just 72 hours, your skin will feel calm, smooth, and fully restored. Waxing doesn't have to mean days of irritation and redness. Feed your skin the right nutrients, and watch it heal faster and feel amazing. If you found this guide helpful, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. Your skin, and your next waxing session, will thank you.